Welcome to Medellín, Colombia. This city is situated in the heartland of Colombia and known as the City of Eternal Spring. It is the second largest city in Colombia, known as the birthplace of Colombian coffee, and also known for its sweeping vistas and mountain views. Let's go check it out. First, let's talk about accommodations. We're staying at the Selena Medellín, which is located only 45 minutes from the international airport. Selena offers affordable accommodations starting at $11 for shared rooms. They also offer luxury suites and private rooms, which means there's something for everybody. The rooms come equipped with locally sourced artwork, upcycled materials, and comfy mattresses. Selena offers properties all over Latin America, and this is our third time staying with them. We keep coming back because they perfectly blend community with accommodation. They even offer events such as dance classes, latte art, and street art tours. Our first excursion is a tour to the nearby coffee plantations.
It's Joanne Zhang standing in for Michael. He is in Medellin, Colombia, about to go on a coffee tour. He's asked me to film a little footage for him on his 5-day excursion in Colombia.
We in Colombia, we in Colombia.
Okay, that's, look, we're going to coffee farm, but he's brought some of his own coffee from the Americas.
After traveling 1,800 meters up the slopes of the Andes Mountains, we've reached a coffee plantation. Colombia produces arguably the best and most famous coffee in the world, producing about 11.5 million bags per year, making it the third largest exporter in the world. Today, we meet with some of the farmers to learn how it's produced.
Desde la semilla, ¿sí? Hasta la taza de café. Ese es el objetivo, ¿sí?
Here, we get an interactive look in the 15-step process to get coffee from bean to cup. It starts with planting, harvesting, and picking the beans.
Materiales que pueden encontrarse en la finca, ¿sí? También utilizamos bambú, nosotros lo llamamos guadua, y utilizamos para la base del germinador. Entonces, simplemente vamos a regar la semilla. Sí, sí. El objetivo es procurar de que una semilla no quede encima de la otra. Ajá, exacto. ¿Sí?
Unlike other cash crops, coffee is normally grown on relatively small pieces of land by small-scale farmers, and when it comes to harvesting, it's a community affair. In Colombia, there are said to be over 300,000 small coffee farms. Next, we get a look into how the farmers pulp the cherries, which removes the skin from the red beans. And after a few more steps, we have a delicious cup of Colombian coffee. The bus ride offers incredible views of the lush landscape and mountainside. Now it's time to head back to the Selena Medellín, where we enjoy some of the Colombian nightlife. The next morning, day 2 of Colombia, it's time to do a day trip to Guatape, a 2-hour bus ride from Medellín. Here, we find one of the region's most impressive natural sights, El Peñón de Guatapé, a 10 million ton rock with an outstanding staircase. This rock was formed 70 million years ago from a volcanic eruption and is made of granite. There are 740 steps to reach the man-made tower summit, which offers dramatic views of the surrounding landscape. If you love this view as much as we do, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe down below. The views from the top have a very heavenly feel, with vistas of the dramatic lakes that make up Laguna de Guatapé. At lunch, we grab a regional beer called Andina and a plate of fresh fish with tostones. Now we visit the town of Guatape, sometimes referred to as the most colorful town in the world. Here, every building is a work of art. Residents paint their houses and businesses in bright colors and decorate the bottom of every building with a fresco-like panel called a zocalo. With a combination of steep, windy streets and bright colors, Guatape is one of the most photogenic and distinctive regions. But there's one thing to watch out for: the local cats.
Greetings from Guatape, Colombia. ¿Cómo están?
And he's drinking.
After enjoying the local beers, it's time to make the 2-hour bus ride back to Medellín. Back at the Medellín Salina, we check out some of the local street art. Medellín has undergone a dramatic metamorphosis over the past few decades in urban planning, and there has been a rise in street art. The themes of the street art are as diverse as the people who create them, from deeply political and serious, to fun and satirical, to dreamlike. The next morning is the Correr es Vivir Medellín 5K and 10K held in the city center. It's the perfect way to enjoy the city and some physical activity at the same time. We hope that you get a chance to visit this colorful and exciting city very soon. Special thanks to our assistant videographer, Joanne Zhang, and thumbs up and subscribe for more travel videos.